The cryptocurrency market has crashed in the past couple of days, and in today's video we're going to explore why this cryptocurrency crash happened, and we're going to see if it's going to rebound and where it could rebound to. Of course, if you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe. We're just approaching 500 subscribers and it would be much appreciated. Also, remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. So, as we can see on the Fear and Greed Index, we are in the extreme fear zone, and extreme fear means everyone's panic selling right now, and a lot of people are really struggling with the markets right now. Generally, extreme fear periods are the best periods to buy in, and we will bear that in mind. So, what's happened? Bitcoin was up at its all-time highs at around 63,000 and it crashed right down to 28,000 at the lows, which is around a 50% crash. Even by Bitcoin standards, this crash is absolutely huge. In 2017, there were not many crashes that were this big. However, there were a few that were close to this size. So, we'll first explore why these crashes can happen, because a lot of people are confused and they really believe crypto's the future, so why could it crash like this? Well, the first reason is it's very difficult to value innovative tech. We saw the dot-com bubble crash from its peak in 2001, and then a lot of these stocks rally back up past it. It's just difficult to value these things. The next reason is because a lot of people speculate on cryptocurrencies and don't actually understand what they're buying, and it makes them panic sell. Also, a lot of people are over-leveraged on crypto, so they use leverage to try and get higher returns as it goes up. However, when it comes crashing down, they get liquidated and this forces the price down further. This year, there is record trading on leverage for cryptocurrency. And, of course, with any stock or anything that is going up by hundreds of percentages per year, a 50% pullback has to be expected. When you're buying into crypto, you're buying into volatility, and you do need to understand that. So, the big news with Bitcoin is on the macro time frame, we have broken the bull market support band. The bull market support band is basically the moving averages for Bitcoin, and we have broken below it the first time for this bull market. Generally, it is not good when you break below the bull market. This is actually extremely bearish. So the second Bitcoin started getting down below the bull market support bands, all of the other cryptos started crashing. The cryptos tend to do the best when Bitcoin is sitting above the bull market support band, but when it's sitting below the bull market support band, they tend not to do that well. So Bitcoin is looking quite bearish. However, if we take a look through time, we can see crashes similar to this have happened plenty of times. Earlier on in this bull market, we saw a crash of Bitcoin by around 60% at the beginning of the bull market. So this is a pretty big crash right here, and we dropped below the bull market support band, but we quickly recovered beyond it. And if we take a look through 2017, we can see that a ton of crashes happened. If we look at this top candle here, it's about 30% down. If we go down to here, it is about 40% down. If we go down to this crash, it is about 40% back down. And if we go down to this crash, 40% again, 40% again here, and this crash is around 30%. So as we can see, throughout the 2017 bull market, there were a load of 40% crashes that happened quick and fast. In these crashes, there would have also been extreme fear and extreme panic selling. However, throughout the entire bull market, the upside was thousands of percentages, from $200 all the way to $20,000, despite these crashes. So you must realize, in the cryptoverse, these crashes are not unexpected, and these crashes can happen regularly. So, that's what's happened to Bitcoin so far. Now also, if we look, the RSI is at the lowest levels since back in April over here, so this is a pretty big crash right now. So, we've seen a huge dip in Bitcoin below the bull market support band, and in 2017 we didn't really see this too much. However, back in 2013, all the way over here, we saw a huge dip in the middle of the cycle where crypto dipped about 76%. However, after this, it proceeded to rally about 2,000% after this. So, I do think there's a possibility that this cycle we're going to see a double peak. And I've been watching Benjamin Cohen a lot, who's a very good YouTuber, and this is one of his theories where he says that we're probably going to dip below here and then we're going to move back up with a double peak cycle. I think this looks highly likely, and the reason I don't think Bitcoin's over yet is for a few things. Firstly, We are seeing diminished returns each cycle, however, not a 2x return. We are diminishing at a much slower rate than what this cycle currently is. This would be an anomaly. Secondly, the cycles tend to extend in length, and as you can see, this white line is the 2017 cycle, and currently we are behind the 2017 cycle. We still have another 224 days to go or so until we get to this 2017 cycle, and it's likely we're going to see longer cycles. As you can see, the 2014 one was very short. The reasons we're going to see longer cycles is because Bitcoin and crypto is way more established now than it was in 2014 or 2017. It is less speculative, and there's more big money in the space right now, so it's likely we'll see slower and longer cycles. Also, does this look like a blow-off top? If we take a look at what Bitcoin looks like right now, it does not look like a blow-off top. In 2017, you can see a very clear blow-off top for a short period of time. And in 2014 and 2013, you can see two more very clear, huge blow-off tops. We're nowhere near a blow-off top right now for Bitcoin, and it really does not look like a cycle end. I personally don't believe that this is actually a cycle end, and I do think that Bitcoin still has a ways to go this cycle if we stick to our patterns. However, of course, you need to do your own research. Cryptocurrency trading and cryptocurrency investing is done best if you make your own plans. You need to make your own decisions. You need to think about what risk you're willing to take, and you need to think about where you believe the cycle will go. Perhaps you disagree with me and you think it's a bear market, in which case you need to make plans around that. Or perhaps you think it's going to bounce back, in which case you're going to buy and then you're going to make a plan at 120,000 to sell cryptocurrency. You really do need to make a plan before you're buying crypto. It is a lot easier than just going into crypto randomly. Currently, during this dip, I've been buying a lot of crypto because I believe a lot of them were oversold. I bought a lot of Chainlink, mostly Chainlink during the dip. However, I bought a few other good tokens that I thought were oversold, like Atom and Aave. So, of course, you need to do your own research and figure out what you're going to do during the dips. Currently, it does not look like we're at a cycle top. As you can see with this current cycle, it really does not look like a top. Nowhere near like the other two cycles, and I don't think that this is going to be the end of Bitcoin and the end of crypto. For all we know, we could just trend sideways, hang around, and have another boom. There's still a lot of interest in crypto, a lot of dip buys, and I don't think this is the top. Of course, there is a chance I could be wrong, and this is the local top and we go into a bear market. However, I strongly believe that's not the case. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. It'd be much appreciated if we could get up to 500 subscribers soon, and thanks for watching the video.
I woke up this morning and I saw the markets go, why no? And of course, there's blood in the streets. And for the grizzled veterans of the cryptocurrency space, we just looked at it and said, all right, well, it's another Wednesday. And then for all the newcomers who came, fair weather, they just recently joined the cryptocurrency space. They're just panicking like crazy. Like, oh my God, I've just lost everything. Oh God, crypto's a scam. Oh no, what do? I have to sell my kidney. Ah.